Mendekithia ma kamiti ya kihoto na watho wa motungata ma Bunge nimo Bunge marenda kuhuthira kurunga kihoto kiria maroiga ati makoretwo makiimwo kwa ihinda iraya. Mendekithia-ini macio marenda speaker Bunge cieri, atongoria a aria aingi na hiuria mucari cia Bunge na Senate maheo nyumba kana njoherera cia marihi ma nyumba cia gikiro kia atongoria acio. Iguru ria uguo, Ambunge na maseneta 412 marenda othe makaheo mortgage ya ciringi mirioni 20 iria irigucagiriria njoherera ya gicunji gia 3% na ikarihwo na miaka 5.
If the Salaries and Remuneration Commission cannot do, we are proposing in this bill that the Parliamentary Service Commission does the appraisal of members of Parliament, the job description. We have no apologies to make. That's right. If you have an apologies to make, you have no business of being in this house.
Ambunge no marenda maheo ngari cia thirikari magacoka makarihwo mbeca cia mileage riria maroka matura-ini, na iguru ria uguo maheo roni rwa ciringi mirioni 7 o mubunge rwa kugura ngari yake. Mubunge waku no arenda insurance yake ya ndandurwo iria iriho kahinda-ini gaka ni ya ciringi mirioni 10 hari o mubunge na itungatagira mutumia umwe na ciana 4 cia thi wa ukuru wa miaka 25. No Ambunge marenda insurance ikuhutia atumia othe o mubunge nao na ciana ciao.
The law allows polygamy in this country. The Muslim faith allows polygamy in this country. The law, the New Marriages Act, allow polygamy in this country. Why should we discriminate against those who choose by choice to have as many spouses as they wish?
That if you look at where members of parliament are in terms of pecking order, we are actually the least. Even senior government officers, members of parliament don't appear anywhere. And in fact, of late, we are almost among the last. And you'll realize that even when we are going for functions, they are not considered anywhere.
Ambunge no marenda ofisi matura-ini cia gutwarithia na mbere mitaratara ya cikaro cia muingi. Iguru ria uguo maroiga ati o na atumia ao ni matangagwo muno riria marahuthira iharo cia ndege cia guku bururi-ini na cia kimabururi, na marenda maheo passport cia kumahotithia hamwe na atumia ao kuhuthira ihingo cia andu aria mari gatu iharo-ini cia ndege.
When CSs are appointed, when PSs are appointed, that very evening they get a letter entitling them to a mortgage, to a car grant. Are we lesser state officers? Why are we being abused?
Mucumari wa mwisho ithanduku-ini riri marauhuririria na kuga ati ino noyo njira ya kuhotithia mubunge arute wira wake wega na ofisi yake iheo gitio kiria kiagiriire. Ngiributira Inoro TV, Jitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.